What you doing, Puddin'? Puddin'. What are you doing? Stop speaking minion. I'm talking to you. What are you doing? Close the refrigerator. Why not? Get up. What are you doing? You boo-boo? Oh my goodness. So you finna stand there and boo-boo in front of the refrigerator with the door open? Puddin', come on. Let's go to the potty. Yes, you go to the potty. Please. Come on, let's go to the potty. Puddin'. Come on, go to the potty. Puddin'. So you just gonna stand there? I mean, squat there, whatever. No, you're not sitting down. I don't understand your minion talk. Speak English. Okay, get up. Come on. Close the refrigerator. Come on. Puddin'. What are you doing? You boo-boo? Are you done? Are you done? Huh? What? Puddin'. Can we close the refrigerator? You opened that bag of cheese? Huh? So that's what you're doing, eating cheese and boo-booing in front of the refrigerator?
Look, my cheese.
I know that's cheese. Really? Really, little girl? Okay. Give me this cheese. Give me this cheese. I need to change your booty. You boo-boo.
No.
Well, yes. Wait.
No cheese.
No cheese. Let me change your diaper first. Wait. Close refrigerator. We're going to come back and get some cheese. Puddin'. We're going to come back and get some cheese. Close. What? Oh, my goodness. Puddin'. Can I change your diaper, please? Would you please stop? No, close this refrigerator. Close it.
No.
Close it. No, I'm finna change your boot. No cheese. I'm gonna change your diaper first.